Honda 250EX. Dyno jet kit. K&N air filter. DG front bumper. Wheel spacers. Right there. We got our shock covers. I painted the oil cooler black. We got the White Brothers full exhaust system. Custom full exhaust system. And then we got the Tusk handlebars with the Tusk risers and clamp kit. Mounted my key on the side right here. Reverse and then neutral light right there. And I got a ram air system installed in it. Let's look underneath the seat. There's the K&N air filter with the outer wears for the pre-filter. And then there's the ram air system I was telling you about, right there. It goes right up, right to the air box. And there's the carburetor, extremely jetted. Battery. Let's put the seat back on and fire her up. See how she sounds. Go for a ride. She's a beauty. Watch the grad. That's the Honda 250EX review.